what you say? That you only meant well, but 'cause you did, what you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is what you say. That it's just what we need. You decided this, what you say. What did she say? And nuts keep falling out your mouth. It's sweet, promise, people are caught. Speak no, feeling no, I don't believe in pain. You don't care a bit, you don't care a bit. Nuts keep falling out your mouth. It's sweet, promise, people are caught. Speak no, feeling no, you don't care a bit, you don't care, you don't care.
1, 2, 3.
I am going away for a while, but I'll be back, don't try and follow me. 'Cause I'll return as soon as possible. You see, I'm trying to find my place, but it might not be here where I feel safe. We all learn to make mistakes and run from them, with no direction. We'll run from them, with no conviction. 'Cause I'm just one of those ghosts, traveling endlessly. Don't need no roads. In fact, they follow me, and we just go in circles. But now I'm told that this is life, and pain is just a simple compromise, so we can get what we want out of it. Would someone care to classify our broken hearts and twisted minds, so I can find someone to rely on and run to them, full speed ahead. Oh, you are not useless. We are just misguided ghosts, traveling endlessly. The ones we trusted the most.